क्या चाहिए और चाहिए क्या चाहिए चलो रोटी दही रोटी दही उधर दूंगी चलो
Students, can you hear me? Can you see this screen? Can you hear me? Type 29. Yes. Can you see this screen? One person should type the number on the screen. Fine. Do you want to ask any question? Any question? Any question? We have talked about signals. Can you give me the command to send signal? Can you give a command to see a signal to process ID 56? Please give this command. Okay. Fine. So command is kill. Kill is used to send. Is it correct? Now, what does signal command do? What does signal command do? Answer this question. That is correct. Yes. Signal AB means if signal A arrive, then execute B. B. Is it correct? So B may not be executed at all if the signal does not come. Do you understand it? Okay. Now I want this question from you. when it does not do as stated. Okay. Signal AB will say that if signal A comes, then execute B. But there is an exception when it does not do so. In which case it does not do so. No. If signal never comes, never execute B. If signal comes two times execute B. Is it correct? When it will not be the case. Can anyone give the answer? When it will not be the case? So Aviraj's answer is not correct. No. No. Yes, that is correct. Others is correct. Process B is dead. Okay. Process B is dead or process A is dead? That is correct, Gyan. Gyan has written the correct answer. The signal sick kill cannot be caught. We shall see an example for it. Let us see an example for it. Let us see. DATT is getting printed. D is printed, and because the C user one, A is printed, and afterwards the printing of T starts. In case of place of C user one, if we use sig kill, then program terminates immediately. No more printing of T is taking place. Can you understand? So, sig kill is a certain killing signal. It cannot be caught. Is this all right? Yes. Try to be clear with it. Then we shall proceed. And ask questions. Yes. Means catching of the signal means when signal arrive, then rather than carrying the default action, a function is executed. It is called signal catching. Signal catching means that when a signal C user one will come, we shall execute G rather than default action. Default action for most of the signals is kill, terminate. Default action for most of the signals is terminate. Is it correct? Yes. Any problem? Yes. You see, a signal sig kill has been sent to the process. If in place of signal sig kill, if we would have used sig user 1, then output would have been A and the remaining portion of the program of printing T will continue. Is it correct? But because of sig kill, technically speaking, this line has no meaning. This line is not doing anything. Is it all right? This line is a useless line. That is what I am telling. Any more doubt now? Any doubt of any type? No. Every other signal can be caught. Is it correct? Every other signal can be caught. Okay? Yes. Except Sikkim. Now, we shall study caught basically means changing in the interrupt vector. Caught means change of interrupt vector. Is this correct? Doubt clear? Catching a signal means do not carry default action. Do some other action as given in the interrupt vector. Anything else do you want? Okay. No. Stop terminates. A stopped process can be restarted, but a killed process cannot be restarted. Is it correct? We shall see its difference. Let us see what is sig stop. That is correct. Stop means paused. Three A's are printed. Then for some time the program has stopped. And again the printing have started after some time. It cannot be the case. Why you have used plus? There will not be any plus. There will be control backslash. Let us see. You see, don't write plus. Control and the backslash, this sign. Is it correct? In place of C, put backslash, it will terminate the program. It cannot be the case. Let us run it once more. After printing for 3 seconds, it has stopped. Then the printing has resumed. Is this all right to you? I am pasting this program in the chart. Execute this program and develop confidence. Yes. You see, the main is printing A with a gap of 1 second. Do you agree? And the child process is sending a signal sig stop to the parent. Because of this, parent stops printing A. After 5 seconds, a continuous signal is sent. So again, A's are printed. Is this thing is clear to you, Yuvraj? You see, for 3 seconds, nothing is getting printed. Then again, the printing have started. And you see, here we have written the line signal sig stop G. Because of this, what is happening? Nothing is happening. A is not getting printed. It means that sig stop can also not be caught. Let us see it in some other compiler also. Is it correct? Let us see. Okay, it is not required. Not required. Can you see? This line is a useless line. It is not doing anything. A is not getting printed. Now, it is a I am surprised. I am surprised. Yes, 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 yes. You see, so signal sig stop, and because of sig continue, T is getting printed, and the program starts. So you see, this line is useless. Is it clear to you? On the other hand, let us write down this line. So what is our conclusion? Sig stop cannot be caught. Sig continue can be caught, but default action will take place. Any doubt? Ask question if you have got any question. You see, meaning of the cottage. We are using signal sig stop G. Because of this, T should be printed and the printing of A should not stop. Is it clear to you? Similarly, because of sig continue, B should be printed and further continuation should not start. But B is getting printed, but further continuation starts. This is what I am saying. Kshitij, using C user 1 is a useless line. T is not getting printed. No, it will certainly be printed. Why are you saying T is not getting printed? Let us see this. Let me first of all put this program in the chart. See, T is getting printed. T is getting printed. You see, T is getting printed. So SIG user 1 is not a SIG user 1 can be caught. Kshitij, do you agree? Kshitij? No, it is not a compiler fault. No. Control C is certainly working. You see Control C? Control C is working. Why it is not working? Tushar, Control C is working. Yes. Because of this, B is getting printed. I am telling the definition of the caught. Caught means changing the effect of the signal. Changing the effect of the signal is called caught. Sig kill effect cannot be changed. Sig stop effect cannot be changed. Sig continue effect can be added. Sig continue effect, whatever is the effect of sig continue, it will remain. Something more can be added to it. Is this clear to you? You try control backslash. Tushar, in place of control C, you try control backslash. How is it possible, Tushar? In which compiler are you using, Tushar? Program gel or something else? Yes. It will print B and the program will continue. Yes. Yes. That is correct. I think control C has sometimes problem in otherwise also. Is it correct? Even otherwise control C doesn't work in program gel. No, I am surprised how it can happen in Ubuntu. In Ubuntu, it should not happen. So, sir, it should not happen in Ubuntu. You see, Harshavardhan, because of this sig continue, B is getting printed. You see, sig continue signal setting is H, and because of this B is getting printed. Is it all right? You see, B is getting printed. You see, B is getting printed. Harshvardhan, are you satisfied? In which Tushar, in which compiler you Ubuntu? I do not know why it is happening. At present, I am not in a position to say. Is it correct? You see, suppose we write here sig stop. Program has stopped the execution. Now, because of sig continue, program is continuing. Is it correct? Harshvardhan, are you satisfied? Okay. Any doubt? Now you ask your doubt, any doubt. Any doubt of any type. In sig stop, sig continue and sig kill. Then we shall study sig child. You see, we are trying to change the default action of sig continue to H. These should be printed, but further printing should not start because of sig continue. But it is not happening. Further printing is also starting. Is it correct? We don't want that sig continue should continue, but it is continuing. Is it correct? So it is caught. It is carrying out the action for H, but is carrying out other actions also, which it was default action also, which were supposed to be carried out. That is what I am saying. Any doubt now? It has no meaning. It is syntax error. First name will be signal name, but the second name will be the function name. Harshal, whatever you have written is useless. It has no meaning. It is syntax error. Got it. Any doubt on sig stop and sig continue? May I start with sig child? Any doubt on sig stop, sig continue? Child sends a signal sig child to his father. And because of this, T is getting printed. What is another work of sig child? Let us see this. When this program will print T, can you tell me? When will this program print T? It is not a zombie. No question of zombie here. Is it correct? Yes. It is zombie also. It is zombie also. Harshvardhan, you are correct. Here zombiness is also there. Yes. I made a mistake. When will this program print T? Let me see who can answer this question. Tell me the time. At what time? At what time T will be printed? And also write down when someone becomes zombie. Until what time it is zombie? Not starts printing T. Fully wrong. Wrong. Yuvraj is wrong. Yuvraj is wrong. Nilanjan is wrong. Execute it. Yuvraj and Harshal, you are fully wrong. Harshal is fully wrong. Abhiraj is fully wrong. Why 4? Execute it and see when is T getting printed. No. Why it never prints T, you tell me? Why not Gyan Ranjan? Nilanjan? Why? That is correct. Gyan is correct. Gyan is correct. No, it is not a fake signal. It is not a fake signal. It is ordinary signal. Is it correct? It is ordinary signal. Any difficulty now? No, we shall study it. It will not be the case. Harshvardhan, it will not be the case. We shall study it in the next example. Is it correct? Because parent works by some other manner also. Not only by the signal, but by some other manner also. When is T printed? At time t equal to 3, a signal was sent, and at time t equal to 8, a natural signal int went. So t came. So t came at 2 time. Is it correct? T came at 2 time. Any more doubt? And when which process was zombie? Ask your doubts. Yes, zombie after t equal to 8. Fully correct. Now, see this program. Because of sick child only. Observe this program. What conclusion can be drawn about the weight? What conclusion can be drawn? What conclusion can be drawn? No, Pranav, you are wrong. Pranav, you are wrong. It does not happen like this. Simply by sick child, weight is not broken. That is correct. Weight is broken when sick child is sent at death. Yes, weight is broken by the real children's death. Is it correct? Otherwise, weight is not broken. Yes, because after the, I think the weight is broken when a dead body of a child is found. Is it correct? And it seems that a signal sick child has no effect. When child dies, sick child signal is sent. But weight has no meaning relation with sick child. The weight is broken by seeing the dead body of the child only. Is it correct? So, is this all right? So, sick child has no relationship with the weight. When a child dies, sick child signal is sent. But weight is not broken. Weight is broken when dead body of the child is found and it is removed. You see, no. When parent is in wait, as when parent is in wait, a sick child signal might be going. Then the parent will see whether the child is alive or not. If it is dead, then the dead body will be removed and parent will proceed. No. You see, we were already sending a fake signal sick child, but it was not doing anything to the weight. A fake signal was getting sent and nothing was done to the weight. Is it correct? Yes. Now ask for doubts. No, no, it is not possible. It seems that the weight has no relationship with the sick child signal. Weight will be broken by the child's death only. That is correct. Yes, that is correct. After the death, the ID of the child is kept as a zombie process. If the parent was already waiting, then it is immediately removed also. Otherwise, when parent waits in future, then it is removed. Yes, you are fully correct. If you have Linux, then you execute these commands by giving ps minus e. You will find that the status of the child's process is Z. Is it correct? If you have Linux, ps minus e is the command to see the zombie process. Any doubt? Now ask question. That's correct. Others, you are fully correct. If there is no weight, the zombiness will remain till the main, till father is surviving. Fully correct. Others. Any more doubt? You see, I have not understood Harshvardhan. Orphan and zombie are two opposite. Is it correct? If a child is orphan, it means his father is dead. So it means that the father has not entered to wait state. Harshvardhan, your question is not clear. Yes, if weight is removed, then orphan. Fully correct. Okay, if weight is removed, then orphan. Fine. What is your doubt now? Any doubt? Now we shall study the value returned by various system calls, but 5-minute break. Now, students, we shall see the value returned by weight. What is the value returned by the weight? Can someone answer? What value is returned by weight? Please answer this question. No. Aviraj is wrong. Let me see who can give the correct answer. Yes. No. Sodeep, you are wrong. Only Harshvardhan is correct till now. Harshvardhan, type your roll number. Probably you are MA 55. That is correct. Roshan is also correct, but late. That is correct. Okay? Yes. You see this, execute this program and observe the output. Observe the output of this program. Then the things will become clear to you. Because of this, the way it is broken. Execute this program. Fine. Weight is activated after sleep 2 of the parent. So from time t equal to 1 to 2, a zombie process was existing. Is it correct? From time t equal to 1 to 2, a zombie process was existing. Niranjan, is your doubt clear? And by seeing its dead body, the removal of the thing has taken place. Let us observe the output of this program. You change sleep 3 to sleep 1 also. Observe the output of this program, then make certain conclusion about the value return of the weight. Is it correct? Yes. What is the value returned by the weight? Why? Why? And if time difference is less than 1, then? Harshvardhan, what happens if time difference is less than 1? Gyan, you try to find out the region. Is it correct? I also do not understand why -1 is coming. Try to find out the region and send it on mail. Why -1 is coming? Is it correct? Yes. No, no, no. Harshvardhan, it is not the region. Both child zombie cannot be clear in the first wait. Is it correct? No, it cannot be the case. Harshvardhan is wrong. It is not the region. Any satisfactory answer? When weight system call does not fail, it becomes -1, as in case of C. But why sometimes in case of B, it is coming out to be -1? Is it correct? Yes. That is what one should be thinking about. Any doubt? You see, the main process has got only 2 children. So 3 times weight has got no meaning. So the third system call fails, so a value of C is -1. Is it correct? And value of A and B is children ID. Which was the previous program? Which was the previous program? Yeah. Nilanjan, here why B came out as -1? Can you tell me the reason? Why B was -1 here? Yes, try to find out the reason. Nilanjan, can you find out why C is -1 here? In this program, why C is -1? No, 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 no. That was not the reason. That was not the reason. Is it correct? Third child is not there. Fully correct. Nilanjan is fully correct. But what about why B became -1? Is becoming -1 sometimes. Is it correct? Why B is becoming -1 sometimes? You see, why B is becoming -1? No, grandchild has no role to play here. Yes, it is not clear why. Why it is not clear. Try to find out the reason behind it. Is it correct? Yes. Try to find out the reason behind it. That is what the reason is not becoming clear. I am sending a program in the chart. In place of sig user 1, use some other signals and see its effect and draw some conclusion. I am sending this program. Execute it. Yes. Clear? And the value returned by the sleep is unslept time. Yes. Every signal breaks the sleep. And stops the parent also. Yes. Sig stop breaks the sleep and stops the parent. Is it correct? Yes. Any doubt now? Sleep returns unslept time. Sleep returns unslept time. Is it correct? Any doubt? It will do nothing. It will try to change. To its father, it will be changing sig stop. And if you are in Linux environment and sometimes the adopted father is login ID, you may even be logged out. Is it correct? If you are working in a Linux where the adopted father is login ID, not one, then you may even be logged out. Is it correct? Yes. Any doubt? I do not think. No others. No. It cannot be killed by sick killed. Is it correct? Probably. Try what happens. Try, sometimes try it. If you have Linux, then try it. That is correct. Now answer my following questions. What does alarm returns? No, wrong. No, adopted father is not the parent of main. Wrong. No, Gyan, you are wrong. Alarm does not return zero all the time. Technically speaking, sleep also returns zero all the time. But alarm does not return zero all the time. No, Harshvardhan, not the previous alarm value. Not the previous alarm value. Experiment it and then answer it. That is that is correct. Yes. Do you understand it? Do you understand it? Any doubt? Observe the output of this program. Because the error of plus minus 1 can be there. Harshvardhan, Because the error of plus minus 1 can be there. Because when the signal was sent, maybe that the signal was little bit late, and because of this, the error of 1 can always be taking place. Is it correct? Yes. Is your doubt clear? Conclusion. Harshvardhan is also correct. Is your doubt clear? Any doubt? Okay. Every integer is written in terms of 4 letters. Is it correct? Yes. So here by chance those letters are A, B, C, D. We can change these letters also. It is not so important. But every integer is written in terms of 4 letters. So sir, is your doubt clear? Yes, Gyan knows it. You were taught this in Goa. Because numerical value can be more than character, and the numerical value can be more than 4 digits. Is it correct? Because suppose I write this, numerical value will be coming in many digits, so it cannot be written in this manner. Yes. Others, you can answer this question. If this question is asked from Tushar, I can understand it. But you can answer this question. You were taught this thing in Goa. Is it correct? You were taught this in Goa. That we take 4 bytes. Then lower byte to higher byte, things are in this manner. Without executing it, try to tell me what will be the contents of various files. Without executing it, tell me the contents of the various files. Is it correct? Yes. Without executing it. Yes. Tushar, correct. All of them have got a symbol. Yes, they have got a symbol. And you execute it. One of them has got PQ, another one has got G. Now you execute and see what happens. Try to be convinced. Because here right one is there. Can you see? Here one is there, one. Because third argument is one, so only one letter is written. It is effectively equivalent to GH not there. Only G is there. Think about it. That is correct. 3 denotes T and 4 denotes U. Nilanjan, you are correct. I will explain to you. First argument is controls which opening of the file we are talking about. Is it correct? It is that. Others, yes. What, observe what is the output of this? Observe the output of this. Not Pranav, you are wrong. Copy of the file pointer is not created. Pranav, you are wrong. They are two independent file pointers. In the program of others, copy of the file pointer is not created. They are two independent file pointers. Execute the program. In place of T and U, make T and see what happens. Yes. Because Nilanjan, there are two independent file pointers are there. A file is opened two times. Same file is opened two times. First we write PQ, then we write G with the help of another file pointer. And initially both the file pointers are at 0. Two independent openings of the same file. Two open instances of the same file. Understand it? T file has been opened. It has two file pointers. Two file pointers in the same file. We have to think about it. You try to write a program. Try to write a program. Reversing will not be so easy with the help of this. Is it correct? Two file pointers. There are two independent file pointers are there. I don't know how you will do reversing in this case. Is it correct? Yes. And very soon we shall talk about how parent and child can deal with the same file using different file pointers or by using same file pointers. We shall see to it little later. Is your doubt clear? Ask any question. To the students of non 18 MA, I will send you one assignment. Is it correct? Or test. A test at 4 p.m. Send answer by reply. Correct. To other students, to 18 MA students, I will teach. If you do not get a question paper, do not take it from your friend. You tell to me. And now we are having 5-minute break. Yes. Tushar, have you got the test paper? Suhadeep, have you got the test paper? You write, Tushar, you wrote, right? Got test paper. You wrote, go, right? Got test paper. Now, yes. 18 MA student. Yes. Suhadeep, yes. Fine, fine, fine. Now, you leave the meeting and I will take the class for MSc students. Tell me, what output do you expect? Let file contents are A, B, C, D. Write expected output. Is it clear to you? Yes, correct. Every integer is in 4 bytes. Lower byte is number modulo 256. Is it correct? Any doubt about it? Any doubt? Ask your doubts and do experimentation. Please answer this question. Answer this. How, Nilanjan? Tell me the method, Nilanjan. Tell me the method. Have you executed it? It is not clear. No, without observing the output. No, without executing it. Can you tell me without executing it? Without executing it. Can you tell the method without executing it? That is correct. That is correct. No, that is all right. Others, why do you want to bring integer into picture? Why do you want to bring integer into picture? Others? Useless. Okay. Now, without executing it, tell me the region. Is it correct? What happens for this? These are immaterial. Tell me the region. You see? Okay. I will explain. Last A. I will explain. Last A is what? 65. This is 0. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1. Second last small a. 97. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now, we write like this. Exponent. Mantissa. 1, 0, 0, 0.0001 number 1 point. Is it clear to you? Any doubt? You see, first bit is sine, then E, then E, followed by, do you understand it? Nilanjan, have you understood it? Answer this question. Gyan is wrong. Gyan is wrong. Totally wrong is Gyan. Think about it. It is not clear to me what is the meaning Nilanjan is saying. Nilanjan, what you are saying, it is not clear to me. Because they were least significant. Nilanjan, they were least significant bits and they were having very less effect on the number. Nilanjan, is it clear to you why I ignored the first two age? Nilanjan, the method is already written to you. This is first byte. This is second. This is third. Rather, I should say it is zeroth. Is it clear to you now, Nilanjan? Certainly. In many bits are there, but I am simply ignoring it because they are of lesser values. Ask question. Is it clear to you? Harshal, type your roll number. Is it clear? That is correct. Now answer this question. To get minus 37.5, what to write? Answer this question. Wrong. Wrong. Harshal, you are wrong. So what will happen? You are correct. Flip the sign bit. Then what will happen? Correct. So tell me what will be the numbers. Tell me the numbers. Correct. Wrong, Harshal. That is correct. Gyan, roll number 14, I am recording. Is it correct, Gyan? Okay. Is your doubt clear? Acha. You have written in binary. Aditya, you wrote it in binary and Gyan wrote it first. Gyan, you type your roll number. Aditya, you were right, but late and in binary. Is this correct? Yes. Fine. I have recorded. Any doubt now? Any doubt now? Any doubt? What will it write into file? Type the answer. Wrong. Gyan is wrong. Gyan is correct. Correct. Why it is not producing correct output? Why it is not writing anything? Is it correct? What was the reason of the mistake? That is correct. Now proceed. That is correct. Now you see, now you execute it. Others not unrecognized character. They are zero ASCII. They are not unrecognized. Others has written wrongly. Yes. Aditya has written the full correct answer. Aditya roll number. One of them will be garbage in this case. Harshal, in this case, one of them will be garbage. Try this. In place of 4, you write 5. One of them will be garbage. Is it correct? Let us try to read them.
Sir, it has to be read right, I think.
What are you saying?
ORTWR should not be it because we are reading and writing both.
That is correct. Yes, by chance, last one is 0. Last one need not to be 0. C3 equal to 90. And C4 equal to 90. You see? Last one need not to be 0. Last one will be a garbage letter. Is it correct? It need not to be 0. Last one will be garbage. By chance it was garbage, but every time the same garbage may not be there. Is this correct? Sometimes some other garbage is there, sometimes some other garbage is there. Is your doubt clear? First four letters will be zero, and afterwards some garbage will come. Is it correct? Yes. Any doubt? Ask your doubts. Ask your doubts. Now, suppose we want to write the number in a file. How we shall write it? Can you think of some method? Not in this manner. In the form of digit by digit, as they appear. Tell the method. This is one method. Yes. How you can write in general? Is it correct? In general. Suppose we have scanned the number and then we want to write it. How we shall write it? Anyway, I want to record your roll number because you wrote it first. Type your roll number. 07. Write a program for this, Gyan. Yes, Aditya is also right. We can read it as a string. Write full program. Anyone who can send it? Correct. Aditya is correct. Now class is over. Any person want to ask anything? Class is over. Any doubt? How it will be helpful? Here you see reversing is also required. How it will become helpful? Okay. Think, have you executed it?